In front of me is Oppo Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, select a password that you wish to edit, enter your screen lock and hit Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!